In response to a tragic laboratory accident, the University of California system has made a commitment to outfitting more than 18,000 researchers with lab coats and other necessary personal protective equipment, or PPE. The goal of this project is to prevent staff injuries and ensure safe research. The majority of lab coats and PPE were distributed at individual campuses through multi-day fitting events. Over the course of 4 months, more than 18,000 researchers were outfitted with the appropriate PPE. Let's take a look at what a typical PPE distribution event looks like. In order to identify the appropriate PPE for each individual based on the hazards inherent to their researcher, the University of California Office of the President developed an online laboratory hazard assessment tool known as LHAT. The tool was developed based on a successful model from the UCLA campus. When a researcher checks into the event, a staff member reviews the LHAT results to determine which PPE is required for their research. Researchers proceed to the lab coat fitting area. Each individual is measured for fit. Coats are checked for ease of mobility and to ensure that sleeves cover wrists. Custom tailoring is available if necessary. In cooperation with lab coat manufacturers, UC developed female fit, flame-resistant lab coats, as some campuses were finding that their female researchers were reluctant to wear lab coats because they didn't fit comfortably. Researchers throughout the UC system work with a variety of hazards, including biohazardous materials and pyrophoric chemicals. UC provides lab coats in a variety of styles and materials suited for a wide variety of research. Initially, there was a lot of skepticism about whether a system-wide PPE program would be welcomed by the faculty and researchers. What we are finding is that workers are embracing the opportunity to receive and wear appropriately fitting garments. They are concerned about their personal safety and, when given the opportunity to participate in a program that makes obtaining and maintaining PPE easier, are willing to wear it in the lab. As you know, properly fitting safety goggles or glasses are a key element of worker safety. We provide a wide variety of sizes and styles for researchers to try. Prescription glasses and goggles are available as needed. The University of California system has a long way to go in improving the culture of safety throughout our institution. The PPE initiative is just the first step in a long process. It is too early in the process for quantitative results, but we can report that throughout the UC system, EH&S departments are receiving thank you notes from researchers for providing necessary PPE in a convenient manner. The chemistry department chairs at all 10 campuses have issued a letter asking for additional assistance in the area of chemical safety. Chemical safety training for undergraduate students is being developed at several campuses, and the UC Davis program has even received an award from the American Chemical Society. With university assistance, standard operating procedures have been developed for the majority of chemistry research being conducted throughout the university. The University of California system has made a substantial investment in research worker safety, and we anticipate that it will result in reduced claims. After being fitted for the correct PPE, the researcher's order is entered into the computer for ongoing laundry service and individual labels are printed. All garments distributed are labeled so they can be returned to the correct owner after washing. The researcher's PPE is then double-checked to ensure the correct items are distributed to the researcher. UCOP is working with the UC campuses to develop laundry drop-off sites around campus. Each researcher receives 2 sets of PPE so they can use one and wash the other. At the University of California, every role is critical, every job is vital, and every person is protected.